In the Crimper series, the new product Quick Restyle Crimper. The big feature is you don't have to use any tools. Just use your hand, then you can restyle. Easy and quick. Pro'sKit also provide a variety of different dye and custom-made requirement. Pro'sKit Crimper fit for internet, telecommunication, surveillance system, Pro'sKit's products are available for professional heavy-duty tours, wrenched cable cutter, wrenched crimping tool, professional heavy-duty tool will increase the work efficiency. Pro'sKit has finished several sales kits that help sales to sell the product and how to choose the right tools. In addition to, we also provide a test instrument and a sales kit for different demands. If the product can meet your requirement, welcome to contact us. We can provide custom-made service. Pro'sKit's whole series product meet all your needs. Best quality control and service. We are a friend that you can trust.